안녕하세요, 진석진입니다. Hello, this is Seokjin here. I'm here to clean my car. Yeah. This is my car and also my sister's car. So here is called self cleaning car place. Yeah, in Korea it is called se-cha-jang. Yeah, because there is no staff who will clean our car. But actually I have to clean my car myself. So it is called se-cha-jang. Yeah. So
more cheaper.
What?
More cheaper.
Yeah, it's very cheaper than any other cleaning shop, you know. And I also enjoy cleaning my car, you know. So I will show you how to enjoy my car. I really like it. Okay, let's
Let's go.
So to use this equipment, we have to put 2,000 won. So here's 2,000 won. And there's a time limit, so I have to finish it quickly. Yeah. So, okay.
Let's start.
Let's go.
You have to faster because it's a limited time.
Yes. Oh, so for the at the last I have to recharge money and then clean the foam out. Yeah, I just finished the washing and all process is done. So yeah, so I think I could enjoy the driving car more than 3 weeks and about one month. Yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to show about the self car washing center in Korea. Yeah. In Korean, 셀프-주차장. Yeah, 셀프-주차장에 대해서 보여주고 싶었습니다. Yeah, so did you enjoy the video? Okay. Then please subscribe my video. Okay. Thank you. Have a good time. Bye bye.